Thank you for watching, as always. In this installment of the AI Governance Textbook series, we will explain implementation candidates for AI standardization. Last time, we discussed how navigating AI law and related laws requires more than just listing the names of the laws. It requires a structure to anchor operating conditions as evidence across multiple constraints. So, how exactly do we translate that structure into a working system? Let me state the conclusion first. The phase of discussing philosophies and guidelines is over. What is truly being questioned now in the field of public procurement and legal review is the specific granularity of the system implementation and the exact evidence it can produce. A viable implementation candidate is defined by objective evaluation criteria, specifically, whether it satisfies 5 core requirements: explicit definition of the responsibility boundary, clearly showing who is responsible for which output, pre-definition of stopping conditions, establishing exactly when the system must halt and transfer control to a human during an anomaly, preservation of audit trails, recording the entire process from input to decision in an unalterable format, a structure for post-verification, enabling recalculation under the exact same conditions after an incident, and the design of human oversight, defining precisely at which stages a human must approve or intervene. A true implementation candidate is not a tool for debating AI ethics. It is a system that possesses these 5 elements: responsibility, stopping, trails, verification, and oversight, not as mere ideologies, but as concrete system implementations. Currently, there are systems specialized in log retention and others that manage operational processes. However, if these are designed disjointedly, responsibility evaporates when a crisis occurs, and the final review for deployment will fail. What Ghost Drift advocates is an integrated responsibility architecture that designs these 5 requirements not as isolated issues, but as a unified whole. Our ADIC technology is a concrete example of this implementation. A truly competitive candidate in the market is not simply a novel technology, but one equipped with the granularity of documentation and implementation that can be used directly in audits, such as definition tables for stopping conditions and the exact input records necessary for recalculation. What is necessary for AI standardization originating from Japan is not the further accumulation of philosophies. It is to present these integrated implementation candidates to the field, making them directly comparable in procurement and review settings. This has been Ghost Drift Mathematical Institute. We will see you in the next episode.